Hi and welcome to DEIF headquarters. Today I will give you a house tour and stop by some of my colleagues on the way.
Hi, my name is Jakob Sørensen and I am sales manager here in our marine and offshore department. I primarily work with our trusted ship owners, helping them to design power management systems and energy management systems. This is both on their new vessels, but also on retrofit projects.
My name is Claus Wendlin Jensen. I'm Department Manager for Product Management within Marine and Offshore. Working as a Product Manager at DEIF means that we are working with the markets, the customers, where we get ideas and input to R&D, where we are working with the life cycle from an idea to end of life.
My name is Jesper Fjoholm. I'm certification engineer here with R&D product approval. In product approval, we are responsible for getting the approvals to the different authorities and classes. So we do with UL, TÜV, DNVGL and LR. In our laboratories, we are capable of doing all the tests required for getting the different approvals required for DEIF and our products.
My name is Johannes Simonsen. I'm a senior production engineer at DEIF. My work is to implement test equipment and also robot groups for our new PCBs. It's very challenging to implement robot groups. There's a lot of mechanical issues to take care of.
My name is Karen and I work in DEIF as a project manager. I work in a department called Process Optimization, and what we do is we manage the cross-functional improvement projects so that we constantly improve the way we work. What I am passionate about is our ambition towards always making a step forward instead of settling for the first solutions.
My name is Rasmus. I'm a software developer in the HMI department, where we develop UI software for the Multiline 300 controller. In our department we make both embedded UI solutions and web-based solutions for phones, tablets and PC.